Are you wondering what to do to start your spring garden? Well, come along with us. First, grab some graph paper and a pen or a pencil so that you can make your garden plans. Next, break out your seed catalogs and decide what lovely plants you enjoy. You can order your seeds by mail from any online company or visit any hardware, farm store, or nursery to get your seed packets. Next, decide what kind of container you want to plant your seedlings in. You can choose from a variety of pony packs or little peat cups to solo cups or any kind of plastic container. Next, you need soil. I recommend getting a seed starter mix for a beginner gardener. It's finer and you don't need to sift out the large components that make up a soil. But advanced gardeners could happily get a sifter and sift their regular potting mix. Whether you're starting your cold hardy plants such as brassicas that are cabbage and kale, or you're starting your summer garden, your seedlings will need at least 4 to 6 weeks before you transplant them outside. Lighting is another important component of starting seeds. Whether you place it by a window, in a greenhouse, start it in a little indoor greenhouse, or pick a closet and stick it under grow lights, the choice is yours. Next, find your last frost date. You can do that by finding your plant hardiness zone or consulting the Old Farmer's Almanac. If you live somewhere other than the United States, check with your local agricultural authority or online for your local frost dates. Then before planting, you are going to harden off your plant. This simply means exposing them to the outdoor environment. You can start with a few hours a day in the shade and move them longer to a sunnier spot over 7 to 14 days. We've packed a lot of information in this short video, but if you want to learn more about creating compost, making a healthy, vibrant soil, or growing in raised beds, then check out the link of our playlist above.